Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings as you see. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Tinder and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but better don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Then if you find update here, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another